I came across an article that said across different months of the year, obviously with the earth tilting and all this sort of stuff going on, that the sun actually shifts in a way. It's a very complicated thing. The article that I read is in the description. But anyways, to prove this, 6 months ago, I came to the heart of Australia and I took an absolute ripper sunset photo. One of my better ones I've taken all year, I must admit. That was towards like June-ish. So pretty much middle of the year. It's now November, end of November, and the direction I took that photo out was out that way. And the bush is just over there. That's the exact same bush I used. I can't use that bush now because I'm no longer going that way for my sunset. I am coming out here for my sunset. All right, so this here is the bush that I used to capture that ripper shot. I can't remember now. I went like that. No, I think it was more on this side. I think it was more like here. And all of this was green as well. So all of that was green and yellow flowers. Because then I went 180 degrees and I took a photo of all these yellow flowers and the pink background. And now everything's dead. That being said, it's hot as right now. We've just had a week of 40 plus up here. Last time I came, it was way more green, a lot more water. We had to go proper off-roading back then to try to get out of here because we were getting rained out. It's gonna rain again, but I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to prove that the article, I'm getting sidetracked, I'm here to prove that the article was real. Have a read because it's quite fascinating. Link is in the description. Now on with the rest of the video. Just in case there's ink, should be tough. Ready? Go.
Oh, that's stainless steel wire.
Is that what it is?
It is. Security. There you come. I can't get the float away.
And it's still beeping, it's still beeping. Still beeping. Cops on there, right? I promise you right now that I definitely paid for that. I'm grabbing the receipt now to prove it. Long story short, I paid for a fishing rod at Big W, trying it for cheapie there. A little fishing trip, and turns out they didn't take off the security tag, so we're going to take it off and see what happens. Fishing rod and pliers, don't worry about the pliers, but that one there, fishing rod, I paid for it.
Look, it died.